Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping by products based on shipping country in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the products and shipping country condition. So first, we'll search for products and shipping country in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination to continue. Here, for this example, we choose If Found and add the shipping country as Canada. And also select If Found and set product Snow Bear. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden when a customer orders from Canada and Snow Bear products in the cart. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the cart contains Snow Bear, but the order is not from Canada. Now change the shipping country and set it to Canada and check it. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how to hide shipping by products based on shipping country. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!